In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find created invoices in Square. Whether you're managing a small business or just need to keep track of your transactions, accessing your invoices is a straightforward process that can save you time and effort. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Square website. This is the home base for all your transaction needs, and getting there is just a matter of entering the URL in the address bar of your preferred web browser. Once the website has loaded, you'll be ready for the next step. The next thing you'll need to do is log into your Square account. This step ensures that all of your financial information remains secure. Go ahead and enter your credentials, your username and password, and gain access to your personalized Square dashboard. If you don't have your login details handy, it might be a good idea to retrieve them before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From there, look for the menu options, which usually appear at the top or side of your screen. You will want to locate and click on one of the following: Orders and Payments, Invoices and Payments, or simply Payments. This will guide you to where all your related options are conveniently housed. After you've clicked on the appropriate section, a submenu should appear. In this submenu, you should select the Invoices option. This is like your central hub for all invoice management tasks, creating new ones, checking existing ones, and even making adjustments if needed. You're now on the invoice list page, where you can see all the invoices that have been generated. Here's where things get customizable. If you're looking for specific invoices, perhaps ones from a certain date range or particular client, use the Filter button. This feature is invaluable for narrowing down your search and pinpointing exactly what you need. For example, selecting the Archive filter can help you view past invoices, a handy feature if you're trying to track down older transactions. And that's essentially it. By following these steps, you've accessed your invoice information quickly and efficiently. Remember that staying organized with your invoices not only helps you manage your business effectively, but also ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. As a tip, regularly checking your invoice list can prevent any surprises and keep your records up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you find the invoices you were looking for in Square. Remember, managing your financial information is an ongoing process, and mastering these small tasks helps you maintain a smooth operation. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources provided by Square or reach out to their support team. Until next time, happy managing!